Hi, welcome along guys, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you back to 1964 with a classic from Roy Orbison, The Big O, and a song called Oh Pretty Woman. So if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Pretty Woman, let's get straight into it. Let's show you how that's done to start with. That's the riff that runs here and there throughout the song. First off, here we go. So we're going to go twice on the E string. Then we're going to go full fret of the E string. And then second fret A string, open D string. So we've got... So we've got twice on the E, once on the full fret of the E string, once on the second fret of the A string, and then the D string open. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then we do, after we've done that twice, we do the same but a little bit more. So then we go same again, but then we go full fret D string, second fret D string, and then D string open. So the bit you've just done in the first couple of times, and then we do this additional 3 notes. So we got fret D string, second fret D string, and then open D. Okay, so let's take you through that again. So we got twice with half the phrase and twice with the full phrase. Okay, so here's half the phrase. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Full phrase. Got it? And then, right, so just to correct myself, it's 4 times with the full phrase. So twice with half the phrase, 4 times with the full phrase. Let me show you that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So that is the intro. So let's get into the verse. We're going to need a strum pattern first off. So we're going to... Let me just make a few settings. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's going to be the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's give you some chords. We're going to need A major, F sharp minor, so it's going to do that a couple of times. Then we're going to go to a D major, and then loads and loads of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 bars of E. So what we've got is, it's going to sound like this. So we're going to go A. First off, we're going to do an A, going to sound like this. F sharp minor, A, F sharp minor, then D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. Back to riff. So that's the verse. And then going to the riff. So we'll take you through that again. A first. So who we got? So we've got A. Let me show you a F sharp minor up to the camera. We're barring all 6 strings, guys, on the 2nd fret. And then on the 4th fret, we're going to be holding down the A string at the full fret and the D string on the 4th fret with our 3rd and little fingers. So there we go. So that's an F sharp minor. So we've got A, F sharp minor, A, F sharp minor, then to D, E, 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 to the riff, mercy. So that is the verse and the riff. It also falls in for verse 2, then the riff again. Now we're going to do the bridge. Now the bridge has got a few things going on. Very interesting bridge. Well done, Roy, who coincidentally wrote this about his wife, but that's another story. Here we go. A D minor to the G, and then the C to A minor, and then D minor to the G, and back to C. Okay, let's take you through that again. So, really slowly, we're going to go D minor, then to G, C, and then A minor, D minor, then to G, and back to C. Okay, so let's strum that through. 2, 3, and D minor to the G. Then we've got a C, A minor, D minor, G, C. Then we do the whole thing again. D minor, G, C, A minor, D minor, G, C. And then it goes, it uplifts to an A chord. So the next section is A, F sharp minor, D minor to the E major, and then A, then F sharp minor, D minor, and then the riff. Right, so let's go through that again. So we've got the 2 sections to this bridge. We've got the section that goes D minor, then to G, C, A minor, D minor, then to G, and then to C. We do the whole thing again. D minor, G, yeah, C. Then to A minor, D minor, then to G, and then to C. Uplift to the A, E, cause F sharp minor, then D minor and E, A minor, F sharp minor, D minor, back to riff. So let's play you through that bridge again. This time, right, so D minor, G, C, A minor, then we've got a D minor, G, loads and loads of C. We can do it all again. D minor, G, C, A minor, D minor, G, C. Uplift to the A, F sharp minor, D minor, E major, A, F sharp minor, D minor, and riff. And that's how you play Oh Pretty Woman. So there we have it, Oh Pretty Woman by the great Roy Orbison. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. Along with any song suggestions for songs you'd like me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in a future video. If you've liked today's video, could you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps to grow the channel. And as always guys, a big thank you to those who have liked and subscribed already. You're a great help and I do appreciate you very, very much. Thank you very much for watching, I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.